This is how we can turn off the instance on Instagram on the iPhone. So all you have to do at first is to locate the Instagram app on your device like this. So make sure you get inside, and what you have to do is, you can see I have it locked like this. So if you are on the main page, make sure you go to your profile like this and then click on the three lines in at the top right, which lets you go to the settings and activity. From these options, scroll to the bottom until you find the content preferences like this. And you can see at the bottom of this list entirely, we have the hide instance in inbox. And when this is turned on, you will not see new instance in your inbox, and make sure you have it enabled like this if you don't like the feature and you don't really want to see it in those places. Of course, as you are in here, you can play around with some other settings as well, just as you are interested in the content preferences. But that is essentially it. That's the thing that you need to turn off. But for now, that's going to be about it for me. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.